In a highly competitive postpaid telecom industry, mobile network operators are constantly striving to attract new customers and stay ahead of the curve. With the rise of unlimited data plans and the increasing prevalence of mobile devices, operators in India were adapting their plans and pricing structures to remain competitive. In this dynamic landscape, Airtel had an ambitious goal to rapidly expand its postpaid digital acquisition across India's serviceable PIN codes, all while maintaining a sustainable customer acquisition cost. Their dual business objective was to grow business by 2x, while keeping the customer acquisition cost at a profitable level, with postpaid being Airtel's top priority, due to its high average revenue per user. To achieve success in this niche category, Airtel knew they needed an innovative strategy. They segmented their target audience into various buckets: business owners, working professionals, frequent travelers, recent movers, competition users, and heavy data users. Airtel partnered with third-party vendors to personalize landing pages and deliver targeted communication to users, ensuring a seamless user experience. By integrating their third-party platform with Google and Meta, Airtel leveraged analytics insights for online marketing, matching people's interests with targeted messaging and landing pages, resulting in higher conversions at a low cost per lead. Recognizing the power of UPI in India, Airtel tapped into this opportunity to reach a larger consumer base. Partnering with the country's top UPI players, they segmented their audience based on behavior and tailored their messaging accordingly. For a project of this magnitude, automation was critical. Airtel collaborated with a third party, Orbital Ads, to automate the optimization process on Google Search and churn creatives on social media. Further, Sky Technologies' segmentation product played a crucial role, enabling Airtel to build predictive models and understand customer usage patterns, leading to highly targeted campaigns and improved customer experiences. And the results were astounding. 65% more postpaid activations at a nearly 30% low cost per activation. Their innovative approach and relentless pursuit of customer satisfaction reaffirm Airtel's position as a leader in the telecom market.